What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal with the ticker symbol PYPL. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see on the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we'll take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So I believe that in my prior analysis, I predicted that PayPal would go back to the lows. We did shoot up just a little bit before this all happened, but eventually it slowly trickled down and almost met the target that I predicted. Do I get it wrong sometimes? Yes. No one's 100% at this, but if you're right more times than you're wrong, then that's how you make money. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart. So right now we're selling off a lot. Looks like they're doing the final push down, and then from there we might see a big bounce. I expect a big bounce just because we're getting further and further away from the EMA, and we're kind of right near where prices have previously found support and bounced. So that's what I expect to happen over here now. Does that mean it's guaranteed to see the same bounces that we did previously? No, but it's expected. So we just gotta wait and see for that. I also see that there was this downtrend channel in play, but now it looks like it's finished. So that's why I also expect a reversal once we reach those lows. We make it orange. You can see that this orange downtrend channel was in play, and then there was a breakout side with two legs up, and then a flash crash down, just because it trapped all the longs who thought the prices would reverse, especially since it looks like prices made that two legs down. As you can see here, this was the first leg down right here, and then if I just drag this over, you can see that was the second leg, and right where prices bounced at the 252 level, we had another leg up. And then right here back in October 18th, it looks like there was a person that went long right here, and then prices just reversed and stopped them out, and looks like there's a lot of people who trapped, and that's what there's rocket prices down. Looks like we're gonna go to the lows now. So this is my target in the very near term. Looks like we'll probably meet it right around this 230 level, and then from there I expect maybe a reversal back all the way to the highs. That's because that's just how ranges work. Prices move from the highs to the lows and the lows to the highs, and it looks like we could be doing the same pattern again. Could we break the range just a little bit and maybe go back to the 220 level? Yes, that's a possibility. It's just too early to tell what's gonna happen, but this is what I expect to happen. If I just zoom out on the chart, it looks like prices already made that two legs up. As you can see here, this was one strong move up, and then two legs correction, and then this was the second move up, and then that's where prices met the target and then sold off, and now we've just been going back and forth inside this channel sideways. So if I do a line chart, you can see the legs a little better. You can see that this was one strong move up, and then a little sideways action, which is the two-legged correction, and then another strong leg up right to this target, and then this whole time we just been kind of moving sideways. Let me go back to the candlestick chart. So that's pretty much my analysis on the daily chart. So in the short term, I do expect us to reach this 230 level, just because we're very close to it, and it looks like they could possibly do a little more selling before bouncing back up. And for once we reach this level, I don't know if we're going to see a bounce all the way back up to the highs. I do expect a temporary bounce, maybe back all the way up to the 250 level. We just gotta wait and see. But that's pretty much my analysis for PayPal. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart now. So here's the weekly chart for PayPal, and it looks like prices were in this uptrend when it made that two legs up, as you can see here. My channels are kind of messing up right now, but I'm still gonna go with it and adjust it to where I see fit. So it looks like this was the channel up, and then prices had this breakout side here, which will lead to an overshoot on the opposite side. So now since we had that breakout side on this side, that's we expect prices to go back up to retest the highs and even exceed it, and it looks like it did that, and that's why we are seeing the sell-off. So if prices do not find support at this level, or a bounce, even if it does break it a little bit, maybe back down to the 220 level, or even the low 220s, if we don't stop there and reverse, this thing can go pretty far back down. I see that it can reach maybe a measured move of this range, and if it does do that, then it's going to go back down to the probably to the 160 level. So there's a long way to fall for PayPal if we don't find any support soon, and this is a major support level. So if we break it and then start finding resistance, something like this, then we could be starting a downtrend, maybe something like this, where we're seeing a downtrend channel. So hopefully we get the bounce that we're expecting at these price levels, and then from there we just continue to go higher from there. But other than that, I will end this video right here, because that's pretty much my analysis for PayPal. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.